Was Iran's supreme leader the target? Well, late in the night, the skies over Tehran suddenly lit up with loud explosions. Residents reported hearing powerful blasts echoed across several neighborhoods. Windows shook, sirens wailed, and within minutes, videos of smoke rising over the city began circulating across social media. Welcome to Times XP. And yes, this was not any routine security incident. Well, according to multiple reports, a wave of strikes hit different parts of Iran as tensions in that particular region reached a very dangerous new level. And you know what? Here, one location quickly became the center of global attention. And that particular area is close to the office of Iran's supreme leader, Mr. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the man who sits at the very top of Iran's powerful structure, Khamenei. Soon after the explosion, reports emerged suggesting that the strikes were part of a coordinated military operations that is involving the United States and Israel. In the meantime, Israeli defense official quoted that the operation had not been planned overnight. Instead, it was reportedly kind of prepared for a very long time, carefully designed, strategically timed, and executed with precision. And you know what is the goal here was? The goal was to hit sensitive and strategic targets inside Iran. But the reports about blasts near the Supreme Leader's office immediately raised a big question. Was this an assassination attempt? It is a possibility. In the meantime, Iranian state media quickly responded to calm the tensions down. Officials claimed that Khamenei was not in Tehran only when the whole explosion happened. According to their statement, the Supreme Leader had already been moved to a very secure and undisclosed location as just a precaution, and it kind of worked. Basically, in other words, if the attacks were meant to send a message to Iran's Supreme Leader, Mr. Ali Khamenei, then that particular message had arrived. And yes, it arrived with explosions here. Security forces quickly sealed off the areas of that particular capital. Emergency vehicles rushed through the streets as authorities tried to assess the whole damage and maintain certain type of control over there. In the meantime, speculation spread rapidly across the whole world, not just the Middle East here I'm talking about, the world. Because targeting an area near that particular office, the office of Supreme Leader, well, it cannot be a small development, right? In Iran's political system, the Supreme Leader is the most powerful authority in the whole country. He is above the president, he is above the parliament, and he is above the military here. Well, any threat to that position, it instantly turned the global geopolitical crisis. As smoke lingered over parts of Iran, analysts began asking a one critical question. Was this simply a strike on strategic infrastructure? Or maybe it was an attempt to kill Mr. Khamenei.